Okay, let's look at one more problem together, and then I'll have you practice these and check the solutions. We have 3x minus 5y equals 10. Okay, we want to change this into slope-intercept form. Okay, so first, what we want to do is think about what's going on here. Think about y, because we're solving for y. Okay, negative 5 is multiplied to y, because it's right in front of it. Okay, 3x is being added. Remember, there is no subtraction symbol in front of 3x, so it means it's being added to y. Okay, so 3x is being added, negative 5 is being multiplied, and we want to get rid of both of them. Okay, so we're going to get rid of the added 3x first, okay, by subtracting 3x from both sides. Okay, so when we subtract 3x from both sides, okay, the 3x minus 3x turns into 0, so we can kind of ignore it. Okay, I'm going to bring down negative 5y on the left. Okay, on the right, I have a negative 3x and I have a 10. They're not like terms, so I just need to write them down. Okay, write it as negative 3x positive 10. Negative 3x plus a 10. Okay, now I need to get rid of my negative 5 that's being multiplied. Okay, to get rid of a multiplied number, I'm going to divide. So I'm going to divide by negative 5, but I have to divide all three parts by negative 5. Okay, so then I have a negative 5 divided by negative 5. That becomes 1. So 1y on the left, which is y. Now it's just a matter of cleaning things up. Okay, look at this middle part. See how you have a negative divided by a negative? Put this over here on the side. Okay, you have a negative divided by a negative. Just a reminder, a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So this is going to end up being a positive, but we do need to make sure that it's reduced. Okay, so it's going to be a positive 3/5 x. Okay, do make sure that is reduced, and 3/5 is reduced. Okay, so the middle becomes 3/5 x. And then here on the end, we have a positive divided by a negative, and a positive divided by a negative is a negative. So what we really have here on the end is a positive 10 divided by a negative 5, and it's negative, and it's going to be a negative 2. Okay, so I have y equals 3/5 x minus 2. Okay, so real briefly, I got rid of the 3x that was added by subtracting 3x. Okay, the negative 3x plus 10 I just wrote down as is, but I put the x part first. Okay, then I got rid of the multiplied negative 5 by dividing by negative 5. Okay, but I had to divide all three parts by negative 5. Okay, that left me with y. Negative 3 over negative 5 reduces to a positive 3/5 because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. And 10 divided by negative 5 reduces to an integer negative 2. So we have y equals 3/5 x minus 2.